Are you writing a script? Yeah. Did you got any idea? No. What is that? This is YouTube learning. Whatever I learn in YouTube, I'll write there. I have an idea. What is that? Why can't you make a video on that? What do you mean? I mean, whatever you learn in YouTube, why can't you make a video on that? No, bro. I think it doesn't work. Leave it. Hey, bro. Come on. It doesn't matter. Will it work or not? Let's try. Okay. Okay. I'll try.
The next day.
I have been thinking, what is the one skill that will make you better at everything? I mean, talking with people, making videos, selling stuff, and that is storytelling. But here is the thing, I am not an expert yet. I am learning this too. I want you to share 5 simple steps to tell a better story. Let's learn together. The first step is, whenever you are telling a story, start with location. Where are you and how the location looks like. That will make the people to imagine the location. After telling the location, let's move to the step 2. Tell the actions. What is happening there? What you are doing? This will make the people interested in your stories. Now, step 3. This is where we make the story personal. What's going inside your head? Sharing thoughts make people connect with you. If you don't tell them what you are thinking, they won't feel the story. Now, let's move to the step 4. If your story doesn't have feelings, it's just facts. I mean, it feels unreal. People remember how your story made them feel. Now let's move to the final step. This brings your story to life. Instead of just telling, show what happened. To explain this clearly, I want you to see this video.
It says, who are you visiting here? I said, my wife. And he says, is she an actress? And I said, yeah. He said, would I know her? And I don't know, man. Her name's Emily Blunt. He goes, you? And I went, yeah. And he goes, you married Emily Blunt. And I go, yeah. And he goes like this. Okay, go. Let's go.
So yeah, that's it. These are the 5 steps I wanted to share with you. If you really like this video, make sure to subscribe. See you soon with another interesting video. Boy.
Yo, microphone check, make it a microphone check. Give it a microphone, I make the microphone dead. Don't step.